Alright, so here we have a 2016 Honda Civic. We're just going to do the oil reset and the maintenance reset. What you're going to do is put into the accessory mode. Now you see we have A, 1, 2, 3, and 7 due. That was already done. What you're going to do is just hit this little button right here all the way until you can get to the wrench life. Then you're going to hit the enter button. You're going to go there. Now what you're going to do is press and hold the enter button. It's going to be a little bit just because it wants to make sure you want to reset this and you're not just pressing it by mistake. Now here we have, it says cancel, item 7 only, 5, 4, etc. So we did all of them, so we're just going to do all items, and we're going to press enter again. Reset was complete. And that's on all of the newer Hondas. So if you do oil changes by yourself, you don't want to go to a mom and pop, the dealer, or quick lube place, that's an easy way to do it. Alright.